Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Mercedes GLA and I will show you which fuses to check in case your AC, air conditioner or heater are not working. So in case there is no air coming from the vents. This video will apply to 30th generation of these vehicles made from 2020 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuses you want to check will be located in a small so-called hidden fuse box under the passenger seat. So first you want to remove the floor mat and then you want to pull down this carpet and you will access the fuses. Now you see the fuses from here, but there will be this cover on top of them. So you want to remove the cover. It's being held by 4 Torx T25 screws. So you just want to loosen them up, you don't have to remove them completely. And you can access all of the fuses like this. If you want like perfect access, then you have to pretty much disassemble all of this. So remove all these plastics and the carpet, but that's not really necessary. You can access everything easily through here. And now actually you have only one fuse to check, and this is the blower motor fuse, which will be located right here. And this is this 40 amp yellow fuse. So this is your fuse to check. And then if this fuse is good, next step is to check the wiring and the electrical connections towards the blower motor and then test the blower motor itself. But like I said, first check the fuse because it's very easy to check and cheapest to replace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.